I'll wait until I get my grant money. Then I'll file a patent. Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney. Don't wait. Do not wait. Time is of the essence. U.S. patent law rewards those inventors that file first. Take action and don't wait. Yes, raising money, getting funds, and grants are an awesome opportunity and certainly worth going after. Take time. There's a lot of free money hanging out there, money that has to be spent or budgets go away. So yeah, go after those, but do not wait to move forward with your invention. Certainly not wait to apply, because the reward, the patent rights, go to the first filer, not the first inventor. So there may be someone else out there with the same exact idea as yours on the other part of the country, other part of the world, or even next door. And if they beat you even by 1 second by filing with the US Patent Office electronically or by mail if you must, then they win the rights. Even if you invented it months or years ago, they want to reward those to share, that want to share the knowledge, give information out, and get rewarded with a patent in the end. So time is of the essence. Don't take my word for it. Listen to some of these examples. GoPro, which is the camera we all know. Nick Woodman, he didn't wait. Okay? He didn't wait for funding. He filed himself as the technical founder and used that patent to attract investors after filing. Jamie Simonoff with the Ring doorbell. We use this example a lot, but he was rejected on Shark Tank. But his patents gave him enough leverage on Amazon. They bought his company for over $1 billion. Lonnie Johnson, this is the super soaker inventor, had his prototype done first in his garage long before toy companies believed in him. He got it filed, found a way, got the funds, and then sought investment, then sought assistance to help him with licensing. So they didn't wait for permission. They protected their ideas first. So take their example, take their lessons, and move them into your own strategy as you move forward. Don't wait for that grant money. Take action and still file for the grant money. You can do both, but so long as you file first, get that priority. If you have more questions about what it takes to get that priority, to file that application, if you need help, boldpatents.com and schedule a free discovery call. Get with our team and get started today. I'm JD Houvener with Bold Patents, wishing you an awesome day. Go big, go bold.